ZENA, stock analysis and price predictions. In this 1 minute video, I'll be breaking down whether this thing is a buy or not for me. And I'm the only guy in this space that's done 45,000 videos over 5 years and has proof of everything. So I have seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially with ZenaTech, bro, I cannot stress enough how interesting this was, because I've taken overall 5 trades. Got 3 wins here, 2, like just the most recent one was a loss and a break even before that. I mean, here's where it all began, right? We freaking reached at some point 690, and I began making videos on this thing a lot earlier than that. It was like $2.23. It like literally more than 3x since 14th of May. And then I'm looking to take a swing opportunity as long as there is a proper double break. But if there is not in one, for example, now I just need to see a second break. But the second break must be a cool second break. It's not going to be me like randomly buying here Monday. So if I see that, then I'm moving forward. And if not, it's all noise. So if you want to stay tuned and want to get free stock picks, emails, and insights for free, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.